Hey everyone, it's Jam from the Digital Hustlers Club. Welcome back to the channel. Before we dive into today's video, I've got a little secret for you. There's a surprise waiting for you at the end of this video, so stick around until the very end. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Now, let's get to the good stuff. Are you looking for an easy way to make some extra cash? How does earning money by simply testing apps, playing games, and filling out surveys sound? If that got your attention, then you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how you can do just that with a website called Freecash.com. Let's jump right in. Picture this. You're sitting on your couch, playing games on your phone, and every time you complete a level, you're not just winning in-game rewards, you're earning real cash. Sounds like a dream? Well, it's actually possible with Freecash.com, and I'm here to walk you through it. So, what exactly is Freecash.com? It's a website that lets you earn money by testing out apps, playing games, and taking surveys. It's super simple. You download apps, try them out, and get paid for your time. And guess what? They also reward you for completing surveys. I'm going to show you exactly how to get started and how to maximize your earnings. First things first, you need to sign up. Head over to Freecash.com and click on the Sign Up button. You can use your email or sign up through your social media accounts. It's quick and easy. Once you're registered, you'll land on your dashboard. Here's where the magic happens. You'll see a bunch of apps and games listed. These are the ones you'll be testing. Don't worry, I'll show you how to navigate this section. Browse through the list of apps and games. Each one will have a description of what you need to do to earn money. It might be reaching a certain level in a game or using an app for a specific amount of time. Download the app, follow the instructions, and watch the cash roll in. Surveys are another way to earn money on Freecash.com. Head to the Surveys section and choose the ones you're interested in. They usually take a few minutes to complete, and you get paid for sharing your opinions. Easy money. Now let's talk payments. I'm sure you're wondering if it's legit. Well, check this out. I've got some payment proof to show you. Look at this. These are real payments from Freecash.com. It's definitely not a scam. Let me show you around the website. Here's the page with all the games and apps you can test, and here's the payment page. You can see for yourself how much you can earn. Ready to get started? Click the link in the description below to sign up on Freecash.com and get a special bonus for being a viewer of Digital Hustlers Club. It's an extra little reward just for you. From which country are you watching? Drop a comment below and let me know. I love hearing where you're from and how you're making money. So, remember that surprise I mentioned? If you click on the video in the top right corner of the screen, you'll find another video that will help you maximize your earnings even more. It's packed with tips and tricks that you won't want to miss. If you found this video helpful and want a more detailed guide on Freecash.com or any other money-making methods, let me know in the comments. I'm here to help you with all your side hustle needs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks for making money online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, do this method, and let me know how much cash you made by this. Let's help each other and grow.